Oh my God, oh my God, oh my holy God. Hi guys, Stephen R. Ford from R. Ford Limited. Today we're going to talk a little bit about how is R. Ford Limited creating its profit margin, or what is their core product. Well, basically, the R. Ford Limited's vision or say production line is anything to do with investing, whether it be investing in property, investing in property development, investing also in digital platforms such as trading on the stock market, an area where the R. Ford Limited started their journey down the investment journey. In 2008, the founder of R. Ford Limited, Stephen R. Ford, started trading on the stock market exactly at the time when the GFC hit, and I thrived. But I heard on the news there was a lot of people in dismay because they lost their money because of the global financial crisis. So this is where we began, or the R. Ford Limited began way back then, before it's formed here today in 2025. And today's date is the 5th of December 2025, trading with cryptocurrencies or trading on the financial market. These are the common areas. But today we're going to talk about cryptocurrencies. One of R. Ford Limited's core business product is investing in cryptocurrencies. Investing in cryptocurrencies, we're going to transfer some of our real money, the money that we use today, the common money we get from the bank or we get paid by for wherever we're working. We can take some of that money and purchase what is called cryptocurrencies. It can be quite complicated sort of system, but if you have been traveling in the past and you have been exchanging your country's currency to the currency that you want to trade with, or the currency of the country that you're visiting, you do what it's called a exchange transfer. You transfer some of your money into the country or the money that you want to transfer. And they use what it's called exchange. And they have them dotted around airports as part of the system to transfer some of your country currency into the currency you want to trade with at that point of time. The currency is no different because it's just a new product or a new system that's now it's been vastly adopted by most people. The only way to get in to the cryptocurrency market, processes system investing, is to do what it's called exchange. You got to use an exchange to turn some of your real money into cryptocurrencies. And this is one of the R. Ford Limited's core product, investing heavily in cryptocurrency. I, Stephen R. Ford, the CEO, the founder of this company, started investing heavily in cryptocurrency as from 2022. Now, remarkably, that story has taken off, and I will tell a story about it in the future about how it all developed, but I'm just going to share this idea with you. Cryptocurrency is here to stay. We cannot ignore it. It's like when computers was hooked onto the internet. People who hum and ha and didn't adopt are missing out and probably wondering to these days, what is an internet? In the beginning of my journey with the internet, the computer and the internet, I said the same thing. What is the heck is an internet? When my cousin saw my computer at home one day and he said, Steve, you need to hook that computer of yours onto the internet. I turned around and said to him, what the is an internet? Well, today, cryptocurrency is very similar. We cannot ignore it. And I'm not here to preach to you about anything else, but to share some information with you about cryptocurrencies, how you can get into the cryptocurrency market. Just because you're going to get some cryptocurrencies, there are a few ways you can invest with cryptocurrencies. I'm just going to highlight a little bit of it. One of the ways you can invest with cryptocurrencies is buy low. Whenever the price of any cryptocurrency coins drops, you buy low, then you just hold on to it. Especially now because the market or the cryptocurrency market is coming down. It's timing when you can go in and buy some. You're just buying them and holding on to them for the value of their cryptocurrency to grow. Just like anything product or any investment product that we purchase around the world. Exactly the same process. That's the first opportunity. Buy and hold. Secondly, you can start mining. There are some great mining processes on the internet, but be careful. There's also full of scams. So beware. Do your researches and due diligence before you purchase these mining contracts. And of course, I just said so. Another one's called smart mining contracts. That's another one. Or DeFi. Those are just some of the areas that you can purchase investment product using cryptocurrencies. With the rate of cryptocurrency fluctuating quite a lot, you can make a lot of money in that fluctuation. Also, do your researches before you follow these concepts. Most of it are highly risky. If you can take the risk, if you can afford to be able to invest the sort of money that you're going to invest, and if it doesn't come your way, you're not going to cry about it. So if you take, say, 10% of whatever you own, just invest that little amount, and if it works, repeat it. Just repeat the same thing that works. If what doesn't work, then repeat. Pretty simple investment strategy. You need a cryptocurrency exchange to be able to begin a journey down the cryptocurrency journey. Now, I'm going to show you some of the exchange that's available freely on the internet. There's so many of them. These are the ones that I highly recommend. Firstly, Binance. All these exchange, I'll have a link below this video for you to join whichever one you choose. I've joined so many because I believe holding my cryptocurrency in one exchange or one bank is not healthy. So I spread them along all my cryptocurrency exchange. Now, cryptocurrency exchange is just like a bank. They're just holding your cryptocurrencies for you until you shift it to wherever you want to, or then shift it to what is called your private wallet. That's another story altogether. But each one of these exchanges will have their own private wallet to hold your coins, just like a bank. But more importantly, you're here to invest your money, not just to stuff your money in these exchange, and the exchange gets richer because you're putting your money into their system. That's not the point. The point is to move your cryptocurrency, or buy and hold if you wish, using this exchange to hold your coins until it grows. Then you sell them on the open market again and you make your profit. But my point here today is just to explain which are the common or the well-known or well-used exchange or cryptocurrency exchange that you can use. Firstly, Binance. Should be a link below this video for you to join Binance. Second one is called CoinSpot. These are all specifically designed to cater for the cryptocurrency market. So whichever the system you use, you transfer some of your money using what the system they provide within their website to transfer some of your money to your bank account into their system. Then from their system, the exchange, then you can transfer that to wherever you want to point at that to do whatever investments you wish to do. Or you just hold it in their exchange or shift it to a private wallet. CoinSpot. Then we also have Swift. All you need to do, there should be links to join Shift below this video also. Coinbase, also again, should be a link below this video. Join them. Then, of course, you have KuCoin. These are the ones that I would recommend. These are well-known, well-established. Any bank can go under. You can't afford to worry about that sort of situation. You want to use the system, use which company that's available today that are well-known in the industry, in the cryptocurrency industry, to begin your journey, giving you a little bit of explanation how to buy cryptocurrencies for your investment journey. One of these cryptocurrency exchange will have a vigorous or a verification process that you need to meet before your account is active. Just take your time, be patient, go through with every document they request for you to upload to activate your account. It is a process, and there's a lot of protocol and safety reasons and safety protocol also that comes with it for security reasons. So if they ask you to add another password or another username, just go through the process because they're trying to protect your account from so many scammers out there. So be patient when you sign up. It is a process to safeguard your investments, your cryptocurrency within their platform. Some of the security systems within each platform or account will have what is called a two-step verification process. Go through each one as they prompt you, and you'll probably need also your smartphone or cell phone to help you set up the system. There are times when you're going to log into your account from this platform that the account will require you to send them a code or passcode through your phone to make sure it is you. It's nobody else using the system or your account or trying to hack into your account but yourself. Highly sophisticated security system, but it's well needed. Far superior than our bank account security system these days. Simple process. That's all this video is all about. It's to expose you how to take or how to buy some cryptocurrency for yourself for long-term investment if you wish, or you can buy and trade. KuCoin, all these platforms allows you to trade. This is called a financial trading platform within their system. I'm testing out their system. So I've got a weekly chart here with KuCoin showing Bitcoin. And I've taken some trade here for cryptocurrency or Bitcoin to grow. I'm taking some positions there, buy position. I'm just giving you some highlights, of course. I'm not saying for you to do so, but I'm just explaining. Within KuCoin's platform, it allows you to do what it's called financial trading on their platform. And I've just bought some, KuCoin gives you some free gifts. Use the free gift for you to trade and make more cryptocurrency or the value of your coin to grow just using their platform to do what is called financial transfer or financial trading to grow your coin. So as the market grows, my coin will also grow because of that fact. Instead of waiting for the coin to grow from the common market, you can actually trade. Most of these trading platforms are highly leveraged, so you get a lot more return off your trading. I hope I'm giving you some idea, but do subscribe to my YouTube video, like my YouTube video, and you will get lots more of these products in the future, or videos anyway. So these are some of the R4 Limited's core product that we're using today to generate huge income. But anyway, you have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And if you do want to get hold of me, there should be a link down here somewhere for you to contact me on Telegram. We can continue this conversation one-to-one. Anyway, we love you. God loves you. See you in my next video. Bye for now.